Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our heater core retaining clip for the 65 through 69 trucks and the 66 to 77 Broncos. You might think this clip is insignificant, but it plays a vital role in keeping your heater core properly aligned. If you've ever done maintenance on your heater, you know how easy it is to misplace this small piece. Our retaining clip is made exactly like the Ford originals, made from high quality steel and heat treated to maintain its shape. This ensures that the heater core stays securely in place and perfectly aligned. So if you're servicing your heater or replacing your heater core, we have everything you need to do the job right the first time. You can find this and many other quality parts for your heater box at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.